butanding, when getting very, very close to the butanding, merong effect yun sa kanila. Another example would be the tarsiers. Meron totoo 'yon, yung pag nai-stress yung mga tarsier is nagpapakamatay sila. That's true. And tarsier are very territorial. So avoid poking them, avoid holding them, avoid taking a picture of them with flashes. So nagkakaroon kasi ng destruction of wildlife pag mga ganon. Next, geological conflicts. Some tourists collect minerals, rocks, fossils, and corals from tourist attractions. That's why it's actually a reminder from the Department of Tourism, and I'm also reminding you, when you go to a certain attraction, never ever buy souvenir like corals, mga ganun. Pag pupunta kayo ng beach, never ever buy souvenirs that harm the environment. So kapag pupunta kayo sa mga cave, please do not bring out or bring with you yung mga patay na mga stalactites and stalagmites. Just leave it there. It's for your eyes only. Meron din yung mga corals, yung mga seashells na ginagawang souvenir. The Department of Tourism are actually forbidding or discouraging those kinds of souvenirs. So let's indulge more to environment friendly souvenirs and activities. Resident conflicts, one of the negative environmental impacts of tourism. Conflicts frequently occur between residents and tourists or tourism developers because of the following. Hotel development causes the increasing value of land, traffic congestion, and air pollution, which are undesirable for the residents. Because of increasing demand of fishing and hunting activities, local fishermen and hunters now compete with tourists as well as with each other. However, right now, na-regulate na ito. Wala na yung fishing na ika-catch mo tapos iuuwi mo as a tourist. Ang ginagawa na ngayon is they will just let you try yung traditional fishing, yung paggamit ng bait, paggamit ng basta yung manual na fishing, and then you have to release that. Ang tawag doon is catch and release. Also sa birds, ang meron na lang ngayon is bird watching. Tourism doesn't involve bird catching or bird hunting anymore. Except for the illegal ones, of course, meron pa din yun. Damage to the area brought about by littering, vandalism, and traffic congestion. If you are visiting a certain rock formation, never ever write on the rock formation. Huwag mo ilalagay doon na Jessica Love Arnaldo, mga ganon. Never ever write on that. Or I was here, mga ganon. Never ever write on that. Just take a picture of it and then leave it like that. And last, in rural areas, farmers usually complain about damaged crops, farm buildings, and livestock because also of yung mga pasaway na mga turista. So here are some impact control measures. The first one, general protective measures. These are designed to safeguard the various aspects of the environment, like endangered animals and plants, beaches and forests through the creation of national parks and wilderness areas. Because if a certain area is given a status of being a national park or wilderness areas, merong mga protection na pwedeng may impose para mapangalagaan yung area na yon. Man-made environment is included in the conservation and restoration of historical, just like what I've told you about Mount Hamiguitan Wildlife Sanctuary. So, yung area mismo, yung mountain range mismo, hindi pwedeng pumasok ang mga turista doon. Only scientists with proper permit to enter Mount Hamiguitan Range Wildlife Sanctuary will be allowed to enter the area. However, meron din namang facility to accommodate tourists. And meron yung science museum nila at the foot of the mountain range. Regulation and control of tourism development. This refers to zoning, yung tourism development zones, and adaptation to realities. No, hindi nakasala ito. Hindi nakasali ito. So let's remove this one. So that would be our discussion for module number 3. Goodbye, and I hope you were able to learn a few from our discussion. Thank you very much, and see you again on our next videos.